paper 2 for higher tier, and watch out for separate video for the other tiers. First of all, the most popular topic that comes up is the hormones in humans. Now, this could be divided into different parts of the menstrual cycle. In terms of when we talk about menstrual cycle, all the different hormones that are involved in the menstrual cycle. So that is FSH, LH, estrogen, and progesterone. We're looking at contraception. Normally a leading or an open question on this one. The human nervous system. So this is when we are talking about the reflex arc, the nerve pathway, the reaction time, which is your required practical. They can ask you about that. Then we're looking at DNA and genome. So the DNA, chromosomes, what the structure could be, anything to do with that, like the double helix and so on. We're looking at meiosis, which is to do with the sex cell, the gametes, how half the number and is haploid and then diploid is full number. You can link it to genetic inheritance of any disorder or diseases. So like sickle cell, cystic fibrosis, any of those diseases can come up. Then we've got evolution. In evolution, we're looking at natural selection, speciation, fossils and any evidence of fossils. Classification then. So in terms of classification, you can look at how you can use a classification tree to break down animal, plant, cell, all that kind of things. We're then going to move on to abiotic and biotic factors. So you could be listing them. Leading into food chain, predator and prey relationship. This particular one comes as always a graph. They always ask you to compare the graphs and link and explain the relationships. Quite a popular one, quite common as well. Then we got maintaining biodiversity. Now, here we're looking at deforestation, the tropical regions, anything to do with that. Now, remember, these are predictions. I recommend that you definitely revise everything